G'day, it's Jan here from Australia. This is my design team project for July, a little bit late, but it's using the kit from Lavender Blu called Botanical Beauty, which is sort of autumny, summery colours. It's not autumn or summer here at the moment, it's winter and it's quite miserable today. So I have some pretty lace, about 2 lots of lace, a nice piece of satin ribbon to tie it up with. The back has a big and a small version of the same piece of the kit. We open it up. And this flap opens. You have a tuck spot in there to put various things. I'll come back to that in a minute. This one opens up to reveal some writing paper in the lace pocket, and over in here we have book page pocket and some beautiful writing paper. I used a couple of the sheets of paper and made them into little notelets. And there was a sheet of this size cards, and so I printed them out and using them for journaling cards by putting some lined paper on the back, which is the same as what I did on that one there. So close that over and pull it up. And here we have belly band and a journal, a junk journal made of all sorts of pieces of pretty tea dyed, coffee dyed, etc. paper. Very simple, sweet little journal using many of the pages out of the printable kit. I was going to call it Chocolate Orange Kisses, but my husband said he thought that sounded like a biscuit or a lolly, and so I didn't call it that. I have just called it Beautiful Botanical. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye now.